Okay, let's look at the equation y equals negative 3x. Okay, we still want to have a fraction sitting in front of the x, and we still want to have a number after the addition sign. Okay, in this problem, there is a number in front of the x, so we can turn that number in front of the x into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath it. Okay, but there is no number at the end. Okay, so just think about this. If there was a number added to negative 3x, what would it be? Okay, what number would be added that really has no value? Okay, it would have to be a 0. Okay, adding 0 to something doesn't change it, right? So if I have negative 3x and I need to add something to it, I'm just going to have to add 0. Because if I added anything else, I would have changed it. Okay, some kids think they would want to add a 1 to it because they're used to putting 1 in front of the x. Well, if you add 1 to something, you've changed it. Okay, you want to add something to it, but you don't want to change what the original problem was. Okay, so you're going to have to add 0. Okay, so then we just think of this as negative 3 over 1x plus 0 to graph it. Okay, we find 0 on the y-axis because that's the y-intercept. Okay, we're going to use our slope to travel. Okay, the rise on top is negative. That's down instead of up. Okay, the run on the bottom is positive. So that's, right instead of left. Okay, so from 0 on the y-axis, we're going to go down 3, right 1. Okay, so starting at 0, down 3, right 1. Draw a straight line through those 2 points. Extend, draw arrows to show goes on and on forever. Okay, so tip 5. If there's no number at the end of your equation, you just think of it as an added 0. So we took negative 3x. We thought of that as negative 3x plus 0. We changed negative 3 into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath it. And then we graphed it by graphing 0 on the y-axis and then going down 3, right 1. Okay, keep me posted if you are having trouble with this.